The subject of this video is getting control of your Outlook inbox. Grab your coffee and let's get started. The features I'm covering in this video will help you automate and organize, reducing headaches involved with managing email on a daily basis. To develop a routine, I highly recommend taking a course on time management and also email management. In the morning, I generally review my email. We all have phones, so I'm on my phone checking my email on my calendar. I'm pinning and flagging email as it makes sense. I'm deleting email as well. I tend to look at A and B priorities, A being highest priority, B sometime later, and then sort and organize that way. I also use quick steps and I use rules so that I can move content using automation, the rules, and also quick steps. So it's a one-click processing of the file. So I'll be getting into quick steps and rules a little bit later. Let's move on to folders. Folders can help you organize your emails. Think of the needle in the haystack. You've received 100 or several hundred emails. Folders can help you organize your email. And the way it does that is that once you have the folders created, you can then create rules that automate the moving of emails to the folders. So for example, your boss sends emails, you can have a rule that moves that email to the folder. You can see I have a boss folder. You can see I have a team folder, and beneath the team folder, I have folders for the individuals on the team. Within the projects folder, I have projects listed beneath there as well. So throughout the day, these rules can run and they can move the emails accordingly to the particular folders. You're not burdened by the mundane task of having to move email and organize it, which saves you a lot of time. I also use quick moves, which helps me move content quickly to folders, so I'm not having to go through the drag and drop process, which can be very tedious. Let's move on to rules. So rules can automate the movement of content. Click on Quick Steps, click on Rules. Let's create a rule that moves all that Office 365 email from my inbox to a particular folder. It's helpful information, but it's cluttering things up. So go to Move To, and select the Move to Mailbox, and then select the Office 365. And then we click Create or Save. Next, let's create another rule. And we'll move items from the inbox to my boss's folder. Let's call it boss. And I don't know if your boss is your wife, but my boss is my wife. So I'm going to send it to Carrie. And the rule is going to be to move to a particular folder that I've already created. And there we go. And I click Save. Let's move on to the pin feature and flagging. So pin moves the email to the top of your inbox so it's most visible and accessible, keeps it top of mind. The flag is also a visual identifier for signaling how important the email is to you. So your top emails for the day or the week, you could pin and then flag. Let's move on to quick steps. The idea behind quick steps is to reduce the number of clicks to get something done. You click on quick step, you click on add a new quick step. You can create a quick step that will automatically flag an email, move an email, copy it, categorize it. Again, the idea is to get you from clicking 4 times down to once. Another handy feature is moving an email to a calendar event. So highlight the email and then drag it over to the calendar and then click Save. Make any adjustments you need to and you're done. Here we're going to flag a email on your phone and we're going to create a task using that email. So click on the email, click the ellipses and click Create Task and you're done. Hope you enjoy. Please click like and subscribe.